Hey, so these bath bombs are an awesome gift for any of the young girls in your life. I got these for my daughter. You could get these for your granddaughter, niece, friend, anything like that. So this kit actually comes with 6 bath bombs, and there's little charms inside of each of them, and also a bracelet inside as well. So I'll show you what they look like. We have all of these beautiful colors here. It also, what I love, comes with this little key here so that it helps you to be able to rip this packaging off. I always have a hard time with my long nails taking that plastic off. So it's really cool that it comes with that tool as well. But yeah, these are a great gift. You just put them right in your bathtub, they fizz out, and then your child or whoever is receiving this gift will find a fun little charm or bracelet inside.